If you need to recover your S&T Bancorp account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the S&T Bancorp website. Go to the official S&T Bancorp website. Look for the login section where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. This will help the system identify your account. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This might include answering security questions or receiving an email verification link. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. After selecting your recovery method, follow the instructions sent to your email or provided on the screen. This may involve resetting your password or confirming your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your S&T Bancorp account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.